In this video, I'm going to show you how to have multiple charts on Webull Desktop. Now, this is actually very simple and there's two ways of doing it. The first one is if you already have like a setup over here. So let's say you already have a layout, for example, this normal one, and you currently only have one chart, you can go ahead and click on this Add Widgets button top right, where it says chart. You can just click on chart here and it's going to pop up a new one. You can put it wherever you want on the screen or just basically fit it in here. So it's going to be like next to each other, and then you can just go to the first one or the second one and select whatever you want to show on it. So for example, if I do Tesla, there we go. So that's the first way to do it. Okay, and now I have two separate multiple charts. That's one way to do it. However, you could also do it inside a custom layout. So if you want a bit more kind of personalization, you can just open up a new blank layout over here, and then you can click on chart first and then chart second time. It's gonna pop up a chart here and a chart here, and then I can just go ahead and put this in, for example, Tesla again, and then I have this one in Tesla and this one in SPY over here, and I have two charts. I could of course have multiple, so I can add a separate one here as well, and then the fourth one, of course, if I make them smaller or if I have a bigger monitor, I can have as many as I want. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.